Dito tayo, ewan ko kung bakit naputon. Ayun, may bikers, di ba? Oh. Oh. Huh? Nagbabike siya dito? Oh, ayan. Part 2 na ito ng aking hiking sa forest. Port Macquarie. May creek dito, di ba? Ni-explain ko nung part 1. Ayan, pero may nagbabike. Ha? Okay naman pala. Talagang daanan din siya ng tao na nagbabike. Pero ewan ko kami, bakit naglalakad may butterfly, natakot ako. Ayun, may sasakyan, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin malapit siya sa kalsada. Doon sa kabila doon. Ayan. O, 'di ba? Nature na nature. Right side, may creek. Yun, natatanaw ko na yung bridge. Ayan. Tagumpay, mapupunta na kami sa kalsada. Sa cement road. Ayan. Finally, At ang bridge nila may mga ganito o wire para hindi madulas. What you call this, baby?
Chicken wire.
Chicken wire.
See the drain up there? So that this bridge is to let all the water come down from the road up there.
Wow, tanga. Ayun yung butas na yon.
That's the road. That's where we walked the other day.
Oh, that's the road. Oo, narinig nyo naman siya. Papunta sa creek ang mga tubig sa mga residence houses. Parang nagkakaraking yung ano. So, ayan, management of wood weeds. Weeds? Ano yung weeds?
What grows naturally.
Hmm.
This is a natural habitat.
Ayoko nang mahangin kasi may nalalaglag na stem ng trees. Baka mabigat. So at least nakapag-walk na ako dito ngayon. This is my part 2 video filming, di ba? Yan. Happy. Okay lang. I survive. O, di ba? May creek. At least pinawisan ako kahit mawindi, malamig. What is the temperature today?
Probably about 18 or something.
Wow. Tingnan mo yung creek ko. Nagpo-flow-flowing.
That path there goes straight up to the road.
Ayan, papunta talaga tong road. Ayun may bahay. May bahay naman talaga, 'di ba? Oh, hindi siya talaga super gubat. Oo. Nasa creek area lang kami. At syempre presko. Dahil yan ay RSL Pension House ni Graham. Kumbaga, sa Philippines, ang tawag natin ay veterans. Yan. Veterans house, di ba? Pagtulong ng gobyerno sa kanila dito, yung apartment namin. Pension apartment. Graham. O, di ba? Teka, tingnan mo tayo sa likod. Tabi-tabi po, may way pass. Excuse us. Yan. Ba, akala ko naman finish na. Is this halfway?
Over halfway.
Oh. Ang layo pala. Pero nakakita ako ng big super old tree na color white na yung tree na inanay o tinorma, generating fair rainforest. Oh, di ba? Ayan. Ay, parang may kuweba doon. Huh?
So we are here.
Lo,
So we're going to go from here to here.
wala, over halfway pa palang kami.
Yeah.
Layo pala. Okay. It's almost 20 minutes o 15 minutes na. Kasi I video 10 minutes. Finish. Or 10 minutes na.
This is where the bats live, up here. Flying foxes are a type of bat, so this is where they rest.
Nay, andito yung mga paniki. Flying foxes at rest. The bat daw. Ayaw ko na. Oh, parang may sounds. Buti lang maaga at may araw. Pero malamig ah. Ito yung mga puno ng mga paniki. Bat pero dapat huwag mo silang ano yan. Ah. Ayan. Videohan natin sa likod. Baka kayo ay may makita. Ayaw kong takot ako. Parang ninervous ako nung nabasa ko yun. Pero kung okay na kasi, nakikising na yung mga leaves ng trees. Kaya siguro dito nakatira yung mga birds na yun. Flying foxes eh. Iba ang words nila, pero paniki yun. Why foxes? Ay, uupo pa kami rito.
Because that's what they're called.
Why we gonna see?
Have a rest. Look how nice it is. Relax. I know you don't like relaxing, but relax.
But there is a sound system.
Yeah. They're called birds.
Bird sound system. So, ayan ang asawa ko, ha?
And there's
Palibasa Australian siya, di ba?
And up here, there's a lot of bats just sleeping.
At night?
No, they wake up at night and go
Oo.
looking for berries.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm not gonna plant berries because they attack the berries. They eat the berries. Where's the berries?
No berries down here. That's why they sleep here, and then they go to get the berries.
Ito ang kanilang sleeping area. At itong punong to, kookaburras there. I
No
can
crocodiles.
I can see you and the
There's a
first fly.
kookaburra
Yeah.
through there.
Oh, you're watching me. Or maybe you're the one I video in our backyard. Eh?
Could be.
Yeah, I know you want to be my pet. Anyway, just fly free. Okay, so dito natutulog sa puno na ito ang mga paniki sa gabi. At pagkatapos sa umaga, lilipad na sila at maghahanap ng mga berries na mga pananim. At wala ditong berries kasi local trees to eh. Ayan.
You want to keep going?
Yeah. So, diyan ka naman behind me. You first.
You want me to get eaten first?
Yeah, after your steps. So, ayan. Pinanood ako ng aking bagong friend, the kookaburra bird. Ayan. Laki ng puno, Ayan. So, parang no next time walking here. I'm scared eh. Oh, there's a pathway stairs. At ayun, there is a house. So,
That's the girl
yun.
guide. That's the girl guide's office.
Okay naman, ayan. Oh, may pathways. At ayan. Videohan natin ang asawa ko, Ayun, nawala na yung creek. Malayo na kami sa creek. Ayun, Siguro 200 steps. How far is the creek from here now?
It's right there.
Oo nga.
Right there.
Oo, water pa pala yun. Siguro mga 50 steps ko lang. Whew. Diyos ko, nakaka-halfway pa lang kami. Ang layo pala. Magto 20 minutes na. Yan. Isa lang yung dala kong phone. Only one phone I'm bringing with me today. Because this is my phone for the outdoor. And bringing mobile data SIM card here. Parang namalikmata ako ah. May pulupot may pulupot na tree ah. Bakit? Salamat. May sun. Sun up here. Sun up here. And there's another bridge here, way up. Not too high.
Half up to the road.
Yeah. Road na yan eh. Road na. Ang nakakatakot dito, the scary is,
Did you hear the bird?
yeah. When the snake pass by or cross,
Did you stop?
you just stop.
Stop. Don't move. He won't come anywhere near you.
Just go. I don't like that.
Well,
I will run.
if you run or you try and kick it, it might bite you. But if you just stop, no problem.
But the smell of human.
No, he doesn't like humans. He doesn't eat humans.
No, they swallow.
Yeah, well, that's a boa constrictor. We don't have any of them.
Oh, the python.
We have pythons, but only four. We know we do.
So, dito sa Australia, explain ko. Kapag may nakita akong snake, i-stop ka. Don't you ever move. Don't you ever run. You think I'm not gonna run? Ako, I'm dead na. Or I will make scream and it hears me.
And it will bite you.
Yeah, when I scream.
Yeah, so just stop. Just stop. Easy.
Ako, ayoko na dito, baby. I will walk in the ano. And anyway, at least I tried, okay? Thanks. I tried to walk here.
You wouldn't have tried if I would have told you were coming here first.
Yeah. Yes, baby love. You have a good tricks. Baby. And another bridge. Ganda naman sa Australia. Mahal nila yung ano nila. Inay, animal life in the park. Meron siyang bird, over 160 species bird have been recorded. And reptiles, amphibians here. Water dragon area.
Yeah, water dragons. You've seen big water dragons before.
Yeah. This is water dragon area.
Did they hurt you?
No,
Did they attack you?
no.
Right.
But the looks is scary if you not accustomed to have like that reptiles.
You'll have to become accustomed.
Only in the zoo I see. I saw it, but they are on the cage.
You saw them at Garden Village. They weren't in the cage.
Yan, ito naman, pababa na kami. Yan, yun ang creek ko. Kaya pala very healthy dito. Ang creek nila, hindi dirty creek. Nature creek talaga. At bawal sa kanila yung mga basura. Nature, ano yan, rubbish ng trees. O, diba? Another small bridge. Pathway. Ngayon, naisama ko kayo sa forest, very nice forest, long, tall trees with creek area and information about this park. So, this is a water area. The water is near to me.
Everywhere there's a bridge means there's a waterway that takes the water down from the road.
Alright. Malamig ang area na ito, so walang crocodile.
No crocodiles. The sharks ate all the crocodiles.
Yeah, siya mo. So, this gonna be a very long video, ano? At least. Ha? Oh. Wow.
So it's high tide at the moment. The water, the tide is high.
High tide ngayon. Ayan na, oh, nasa paa ko na yung halos yung tubig ng creek. Ha? Wait, may cap waves. Ibig sabihin, may spider. Kailangan maingat ako sa paglalakad. Dahil sa Camellia, walang ganitong creek. Ang ganda na first time ako maglakad sa ganitong area. At kasama ko pa ang aking best friend Graham para may gumagalaw-galaw doon. Hello. The wind blows the water. It's high tide, baby. Let's go run.
Why?
The water can get up easily.
No, it's high now.
Oh.
The only time it comes any higher than that is maybe twice a year when you have what's called a king tide.
Oh, king tide.
Okay, we're going out of the jungle now.
Ayan. Yun, meron ng stairs way to City Central. Ayan, ayun, nakikita nyo na ba? Yun. Finally, we are in our destination.
So you come out of the jungle,
Come out from the jungle, and there you go.
right up.
Road na. Koala habitat. So, ayan na. We built this city. Ayan na talaga. So, yan ang aking Kulumbong Creek. Kulumbang Creek Nature Park. So, ayan na. Nandito na ako sa area ng yan na. Sa likod ko yung dinaanan nating creek. Yan. Ito na yung creek na yon, the bridge. Wow, ang ganda! Oh, doon sa mga side, it's scary for me. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Diba, nakikita nyo? It's a strong sun eh. Ayan, ayan ang asawa ko. Ang ganda, promise. Wind, health, ano ba yan? No pollution.
If you go along that path there, there's a big park with barbecues and seats.
Oh. Ayan, ipapasyal ako ni Graham dito sa mga may barbecue area park. Ayan o, yun yung pathway na yan. Ito yun yung dinaanan namin ha. Ayan, ang ganda pala naman eh. God, ang linis. So, ayan yung post. Yung unang pinag-shoppingan ko na medyo malapit sa area namin. Tulad ng Small SM Molino. Ayan. So, ito yung park. Ayan. Area. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayan ang my park. Pwede kami mag-barbecue ni Graham dyan. Oo. Naku. Ayan, pinagano.
And it's all free.
And it's free. Walang bayad. Ha? Upo kami dyan one day. One day. Ayan. Ganda talaga. Ito naman. Hang on baby, I will say what is this.
The bus shelter, bus stop.
Bus stop to. Bus stop ito. Na may mga upuan, di ba? Hindi katulad sa iba. Walang bus stop. Ayan. Ito yung ano, bus ways. Medyo nabubura na eh. Ang ganda. Sana magstay pa yung aking video. Yes, the big water dragon, you know, yung, what you call that, baby statue?
Statue, yeah.
Oh, may ano pa doon, oh, waiting, ano, for picnic, oh. Huh?
The thing I like about this is there's plenty of places to sit down. There's
Oo.
your barbecue area, there's your trash bins, and it's just nice.
Oo, and it's free.
It's all free.
And it's not crowded. Oh, ito naman ang tractorial nila. Ano ba ito? Sa kalsada. O, diba? High-tech, ang ganda. Diba? Oh. Oh. Ayan ang park. Diyos ko. Pero walang tao. Tiisin natin. Ala, Pepe. Ayan. Medyo ang tagal nito, no? So,
They're doing all road work.
coast tayo. Ay, nakapunta na ako dito. I've been here, baby, di ba?
Yeah, I'm
Dan Murphy's.
no,
Alam, poker night. Oh, eto na yung city. We built this city. Nakaka-happy naman. Nasa ibang lugar ako para magbakasyon. O, di ba? Oo. Ayan. Phineas Tower. So, we're lucky to have Phineas. So, ayan. Ay, it's dark. It's dark na. It turns dark, so I have to say bye for now.